What's going on, beautiful people, and welcome back to Piece of Happiness 101. And today we have another phenomenal video for you guys. If I were to take sex out of your relationship right now, what will you be left with? If I were to take sex out of your relationship right now, what will you be left with? Please tell me. If I were to take financial contributions or any materialistic things out of your relationship right now, what will you be left with? In today's video, I'm not going to give you advice, because for the many times that I've been giving advice is one of the things that you could either take or leave, which means after I give you the advice, I'm not responsible of what you do with it, as long as I know from the best of my knowledge that it gave you something that could actually help you. But some people, even after giving them advice, they don't always apply the advice given to the relationship. So today, I'm not going to give you advice. Today, I need you to give yourself advice. Yes, I'm going to need you to go deep inside of your relationship and ask yourself that question. If you were to take sex out of your relationship right now, would you still have a relationship? If you were to take any financial contributions, any materialistic gain out of your relationship right now, would you still have a relationship? Please, I need you to go inside of your relationship, inside of your head, just by yourself. I'm not giving you any advice. It's just one question. If you were to take sex out of your relationship right now, as we speak, would you be left with a bunch of empty promises? Would you be left with a lot of things that money can't buy, like happiness, like love, like real things that relationship is supposed to be built on? Are you gonna be left alone with somebody that you don't even know who they are? Is sex the only thing in your relationship? Is it with you because you are his sponsor? Are you his provider? Are you the one that's basically paying all the bills and he's just out here providing you with some sexual desire? What's the real reason why you guys are together? Because for some reason, too many people are in relationships they have no business being into. And for some reasons, when things are not happening the way it's supposed to happen, they're gonna come to you crying about the fact that they've been dealing with trauma and pile up damages because of the decisions they made. So let me help you out today. Ask yourself that one question. If you were to take sex or any financial contribution out of your relationship, what will you be left with? Would you be left with somebody who really loves you? Or would you be left with somebody you don't even know? A stranger, a situationship, or a toxic ship, whatever society chooses to call it. What will you be left with at this very moment? What is it exactly that you're gonna see through your relationship after asking yourself that one question? And maybe this message is not for you. Maybe your relationship is not perfect, but it has all the components to make it there. Maybe this message is for a friend. Maybe this message is for a family member. Maybe this message is for a coworker. So what I want you to do is to just post that message on your timeline. Have anybody that you've been giving advice to watch this video. If you were to take sex out of your relationship, if you were to take any financial contributions, any materialistic things out of your relationship right now, what will you be left with? Because a lot of people don't even understand the difference. They think just because they are able to get this or that, they are in a relationship. It doesn't work like that. Relationship is deeper than that. Relationship is deeper than sex or any financial contributions. I need you to go ahead and ask yourself that question. And if it's not you, like I said, go ahead and post it on social media. Have anybody that you know who's been in a toxic relationship ask themselves that one question. If they were to take sex and financial contributions out of their relationships, what would they be left with? And I know it's easy to not want to admit the truth. I know it's easy to do that. I know it's easy to run away from it. I know it's easy to run from your friends. I know it's easy to run from your family. But the one person you cannot run from is yourself. Yes. You cannot run from yourself. When the truth needs to be said, when it's you asking yourself questions like this, you have no other choice but to admit the truth. This is exactly what I'm doing with you right now. Ask yourself that one question. If there's more to your relationship after that, that is perfect. There's nothing to worry about. Keep working on your relationship. Keep making it better. But if after asking yourself this question and you happen to find out there's more emptiness, there's more baggage, there's more trauma, there's more toxic situations going on in your relationship, I think you already know what you're supposed to do at that point. I think you know exactly what needs to be done. You can lie to everybody. You can act like you're not hurt. You can act like you don't see what's going on in your relationship. But the one person you cannot lie to is yourself. And I'm giving you that one chance to ask yourself, if you were to take sex or financial contributions out of your relationship right now, what will you be left with? Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video to the fullest. If I've missed something in the process, be sure to comment below. Let me know exactly what you think about the video. And for those of you who've been with us from the get-go, guys, I really appreciate everything that you do to support the channel. If you just found out about this channel, feel free to look around. If you see something that you like, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.